Hello, boys and girls. Guess what we're going to talk about today? Here's a hint. Apples. That's right. So we have 3 apples here. 1, 2, 3. The first one is red. The second one is yellow. And the third one is green. And they are different types as well. So apples come in different colors and different types. This is a red delicious apple. This is a golden delicious apple, and this is a Granny Smith apple. And each one tastes a little bit different. All right, so what we're going to do today is we're going to cut open an apple, and you're going to get to see what is inside. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm going to cut into my green Granny Smith apple, but before I do that, I wanted to show you this one part that's on the outside. Can you see that? It's the stem. The stem is what holds the apple to the tree. So that part's on the outside. All right, so here's my green Granny Smith. I'm going to take my knife. Now, only grown-ups use knives. So here we go. All right, I cut into my apple, and now I have 2 halves. 1, 2. What do you see in there? Do you see those little brown things? What do you think that they might be? Seeds. That's right. If you took those little seeds out and planted them in the ground, you could grow an apple tree. That's right. All right. So I have my stem. My stem here is a little stem, and my seeds. And the other part on the very inside where you don't eat is called the core. Now I kind of cut through the core a little bit to show you the seeds. But if you were eating an apple, you would eat around the core. If you were eating an apple and you ate all around it, this is about what you would have. It would be the core, and that would be the center part of the apple. All right, so I dug around inside my apple and I pulled out the seeds. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I found 6 seeds inside my Granny Smith apple. Now, if I planted those in the ground, an apple tree would grow. What kind of apple tree do you think would grow? That's right, a Granny Smith apple tree. All right, so are these seeds big or little? They are little. That's right. If I hold it in the palm of my hand, you can see how tiny the seeds are. So if you've seen other seeds, you know that seeds come in all different sizes. There's like a big peach pit inside of a peach. You've probably seen some watermelon seeds, and these are little apple seeds. Thank you for joining me today, boys and girls, to learn about apples. Now, what kind did we have? We had red, a red delicious. Our yellow was a golden delicious, and our green was a Granny Smith. Now, I would love for you to try each kind of apple and see which one you like best. But unfortunately, we can't do that in a video. So if you ask your mom or dad, maybe they can buy you some different types of apples, and you can do a taste test at home. You can try a little bit of the red, a little bit of the yellow, and a little bit of the green, and see which one you like best. So until next time, keep on learning.